The Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest, also known as the Amazon jungle, is the world's largest tropical rainforest. It covers a vast area of approximately 6.7 million square kilometers, 2.72 million square miles, across South America, including parts of Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The Amazon rainforest is home to an incredibly diverse range of plant and animal species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. It is estimated that there are around 40,000 plant species, 3,000 fish species, 1,300 bird species, 430 mammal species, 400 amphibian species, and 2.5 million insect species in the Amazon rainforest. In addition to its biodiversity, the Amazon rainforest is also an important carbon sink, helping to regulate global climate by absorbing and storing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. However, the rainforest is facing many threats, including deforestation, climate change, and fires, which are putting its ecological and cultural values at risk. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most biodiverse regions on Earth, containing an estimated 10% of the world's known species. The vast array of plant and animal life found in the Amazon rainforest includes many species that are unique to the region and are not found anywhere else in the world. The Amazon rainforest plays a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate. It absorbs a significant amount of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through photosynthesis, which helps to reduce the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere and mitigate the effects of climate change. However, the Amazon rainforest is under threat from a range of human activities. Deforestation is one of the primary threats to the rainforest, with large areas of forest being cleared for agriculture, cattle ranching, and logging. The clearing of forests also releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. Climate change is also having an impact on the Amazon rainforest, with rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns affecting the growth and distribution of plant species. In addition, fires, which are often started deliberately to clear land, can spread out of control and cause extensive damage to the rainforest. The loss of the Amazon rainforest would have significant consequences for both the region and the world as a whole. It would lead to the extinction of many plant and animal species, reduce the capacity of the Earth to absorb carbon dioxide, and negatively impact the livelihoods and cultures of indigenous communities who call the rainforest home. It is therefore crucial to take action to protect the Amazon rainforest and ensure its long-term survival. The Amazon rainforest is home to a rich array of indigenous peoples who have lived in the region for centuries and have developed intricate relationships with the forest and its resources. These communities rely on the forest for food, medicine, and cultural practices, and their knowledge and expertise have contributed to the preservation of the Amazon rainforest's biodiversity. However, the traditional ways of life of indigenous communities in the Amazon rainforest are also under threat from modern development and extractive industries. Mining, oil and gas exploration, and hydroelectric projects are all impacting indigenous communities and their territories, often without their consent or adequate compensation. The Amazon rainforest is also home to many threatened and endangered species, including jaguars, giant otters, and the pink river dolphin. The loss of habitat and hunting for the wildlife trade are significant threats to these species, and their survival depends on the protection of the rainforest. In recent years, there has been growing awareness of the importance of protecting the Amazon rainforest, and there have been efforts to promote sustainable development and conservation in the region. International agreements, such as the Paris Agreement on Climate Change and the Convention on Biological Diversity, have recognized the importance of protecting the Amazon rainforest, and there have been initiatives to support indigenous-led conservation efforts and sustainable economic development. Overall, the Amazon rainforest is a complex and valuable ecosystem that plays a critical role in the health of our planet. Protecting and preserving this region is essential for the well-being of both its human and non-human inhabitants, and for the long-term sustainability of our global ecosystem. Illegal logging is a major issue in the Amazon rainforest, with trees being cut down and sold for timber, often to support the construction industry. This practice is often carried out by criminal networks who operate outside the law, and it can have devastating effects on the forest and its ecosystems. Agriculture, particularly soybean and cattle farming, is another significant driver of deforestation in the Amazon rainforest. Large areas of forest are cleared to make way for these industries, which can lead to soil degradation, water pollution, and loss of biodiversity. Mining and oil and gas exploration are also having an impact on the Amazon rainforest. These industries can cause significant environmental damage, including contamination of water sources and destruction of habitats, and they can have negative impacts on indigenous communities and their livelihoods. In addition to these threats, there are also issues related to governance and law enforcement in the Amazon region. Corruption and weak enforcement of environmental laws can make it easier for illegal activities to take place, and it can be difficult to hold those responsible for environmental crimes accountable. Despite these challenges, there are also many initiatives aimed at protecting the Amazon rainforest and promoting sustainable development in the region. For example, there are efforts to promote alternative forms of agriculture that are less damaging to the environment, such as agroforestry, which combines crop production with tree planting. There are also initiatives to support indigenous-led conservation efforts and to empower local communities to manage their natural resources sustainably. In conclusion, the Amazon rainforest is facing a range of challenges that require a holistic and multifaceted approach to address. While there is no easy solution, there are many opportunities to promote sustainable development and conservation in the region, and to work towards a more just and equitable future for all who call the Amazon rainforest home. One important aspect of the Amazon rainforest is its role in regulating the global water cycle. The Amazon basin contains the largest network of rivers and streams in the world, and the forest acts as a massive sponge, absorbing rainwater and releasing it gradually into the rivers. This helps to maintain the flow of water throughout the year, reducing the risk of floods and droughts in the region. In addition, the Amazon rainforest is a major carbon sink, absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through photosynthesis. This makes the forest an important tool in mitigating the effects of climate change, as the carbon dioxide absorbed by the forest is stored in the biomass of trees and other plants. The Amazon rainforest is also home to many unique and important medicinal plants, which have been used by indigenous communities for centuries to treat a wide range of illnesses. The discovery of new plant species and the exploration of their medicinal properties could have significant implications for global health. Finally, the Amazon rainforest is a vital cultural and spiritual center for indigenous communities who have lived in the region for generations. These communities have developed deep relationships with the forest and its resources, and their knowledge and expertise are essential for the long-term preservation of the Amazon rainforest and its biodiversity. Overall, the Amazon rainforest is a complex and dynamic ecosystem with many important ecological, cultural, and social functions. Protecting and preserving this region is essential for the well-being of both its human and non-human inhabitants, and for the long-term sustainability.
Are you curious about something? If there is anything you would like to know, let me know in the comment section below. Let's learn together. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe for more information. Thanks for watching.